Sourcing procurement strategy. On what do you base a decision to buy a product or service? Price, quality, convenience, extra service, a combination. So the Rystaf bases purchasing decision on a combination quality of price, convenience, and extra service. Quality is a priority to ensure that their products meet high standards, while competitive pricing helps maintain profitability. Convenience and extra service also play a role in optimizing the procurement process. By what venue will you find suppliers? Local dealer, internet, direct from manufacturer. So, we will explore various sourcing channels, including local dealers, internet suppliers, and direct manufacturers. This approach enables us to compare prices and product quality, ensuring we secure the best option for our business needs. Marketing strategy. What is your sales plan? Our sales plan strategy includes offering discount to students and teachers to attract more customers and encourage to repeat purchases. What advertising and promotion will be used to increase sales awareness? The Rystaf will increase brand awareness and sales through social media advertising and promotional activities. This will include discount, loyalty programs, and buy one get one free deals to enhance customer engagement. Where will you sell their products or service? We will sell our products primarily in school, cafeteria, providing easy access to students and staff. Will you use the open market or contracts? We will utilize both open market strategies and contractual agreements with schools and educational institutions to supply our writing materials. Do you have a preferred market outlet? Yes, our preferred market outlet is within the school premises, ensuring a stable and consistent customer base. Are you a qualified supplier for a specific processor or a buyer? Yes, the Rystaf aims to become a qualified supplier for schools, ensuring the availability of high-quality writing materials. How will you price the product? Pricing will depend on the specific writing materials offered, ensuring affordability while maintaining profitability.